We'll be talking about a system called snap mounts. This is what their logo looks like, and this is also what would come in. What it allows you to do is to quickly move to different devices, whether it be like your cell phone, or whether it be something like this, like a DJI Action Osmo camera. And what it allows you to do is it's all magnetic. And with a Jeep, with an older Jeep like this one, these are all steel on the side, so this is all magnetic. So as you go, you can stick it to wherever you want if you want to get a different shot. But what I really like about this is we've been playing around with this today, is we can also use it through the glass. So we can come like this. So if you wanted to have an inside shot or a shot on the passenger or driver, if an angle, I want to come at an angle if I wanted to. But this is really cool how I've now made glass magnetic. And the way it works is there's a backing plate right here, which is magnetic. And then your device goes like that. And you can hear how much it clicks. But it snaps, is what it is, a snap mount. So this is the DJI Action Osmo. I'm going to slide this off on the backing plate. And this is my cell phone. And the same thing, I can slide this off. And I can use this for a stand if I wanted to. But I can take this device right here, snap it on, and then I've got very quickly onto my next. But what I really like on top of that, again, we have your backing plate, which is magnetic. You have your cell phone. Again, it's got a nice thumb screw right here, and it's got the spring load for your cell phone. But you can also do, which is a lanyard. So it comes with a lanyard, and it has this little groove right here, and it's almost, look at it as just putting that over your neck and then sliding it down. So you put slide this over onto your neck, just like this. So if I put this inside my shirt, I can have it exactly where I want every single time. I'm just gonna slide this one off of my little tripod here, and you can hear it. And if I had it between my shirt, it's gonna be a little bit more sturdy, but then I have kind of my point of view reference if I wanted to do it that way. But it's a really cool way, and you can see how I've done it. I've just slid it right through. You can adjust it. And then if I take this off, if I'm doing another shot, I put it on another snap mount, and I need to put it on really quickly, I know it's gonna be exactly the same spot every single time. So again, this is snap mount. They have a whole bunch of different options. Again, this is just your typical, kind of like a tripod connection, your cell phone, or like a GoPro. It's GoPro 10 that just came out, would fit on here perfectly as well. This is thumb screw. And again, you just have your adjustability like you would normally do. Even if you want to do a point of view shot as you're walking on a trail or something like that, you can do that too. But as again with the Jeep, this is all still here with this older Jeep that we have, so we could just slap it here on the side. You know, I take it off my lanyard, put it right here, get my shot. The last thing I want to show you is cool is because again, this is magnetic. I have my backing plate. This is actually aluminum. As you can see, it's not sticking. You can hear it's not sticking anywhere. But if I use this backing plate, it is strong enough, and I've already tested this too, that I can put this here. And again, this is aluminum. But as soon as I put this, you can hear it snap. So now I have a point of view as well. If I'm on the trails and I want to get a shot, I can do that too, even on aluminum, by using those backing plates. So take a look for sure at snap mounts. We've also done a little quick video a couple weeks ago where we put this on the highway speed. We put it on our vehicle, and we did that because we had called a snap mat, and it puts on here so you can put it on the paint. That way it won't scratch anything up, and we did that by making this box magnetic. We just put it right here on the top. We did highway speed, it never even moved. So snap mount's a very strong product. It gives you a lot of versatility. You can do a lot of angles, but again, it's a snap mount and comes for all different options for your devices. So thanks again for watching Jeeps Rock. We can't wait to start using this a little bit more, get a whole bunch of different looks and feels to our videos going forward, even underneath, giving some suspension shots, that type of thing. So we're having a lot of fun with snap mount. Thanks again for watching.